In this video, we will show you how to install a locking cabinet wall mount for a 5-quart sharps container. For a new wall mount, the following tools and hardware are needed. 4 self-drilling drywall anchors that can hang up to 50 pounds. 4 screws, size number 7 by 1 1/4 inch length. Number 2 Phillips screwdriver or electric drill. Level. The cabinets are designed to be installed using existing wall holes or any new surface. When identifying the surface, ensure the area behind the wall is clear of electrical wires and plumbing connections. Identify a position on the wall to mount the cabinet. Hold the cabinet against the wall and open the door. Using a level, mark 4 distinct spots using the slots in the back of the cabinet. Make sure to space the marks as far away as possible for added stability. Remove cabinet and drill anchors into the spots marked on the wall. Next, align the slots in the back of the cabinet with the anchors and drill in screws. Finally, place the Medline 5-quart sharps container into the wall mount and lock. For more information, contact your Medline representative.